I have this Philodendron White Knight, and I have put it in a vase. I did a tutorial on it because the vase had no drainage, but it was too slim, and I'm afraid that if I keep it in here, eventually I won't be able to take it out. And actually, I'm a little nervous to take it out now. But that's basically what this video is about. I'm just going to take a plant out of a small vase or pot without breaking it, because it always breaks my heart when people break their beautiful pottery. All right, before we get started, you guys know what to do. Hit the button, subscribe, become part of the family. I miss you guys, and I would like to have more of you guys. All right, so here is the Philodendron White Knight. So those of you that are Philodendron fans, you know that this has the Philodendron White Knight, the Philodendron White Wizard, and the Philodendron White Princess. Okay, and how you know the difference is that this guy is a White Knight because the petiole is burgundy with a cream stripes, and that's how you can tell. The White Princess has a green petiole with burgundy, just kind of like a little stripe on the top of the petiole. Real fashionable, so she's the princess. All right, and the wizard is just green and white. I'm growing some white wizards right now, so hopefully soon I'll be able to show you some mature plants. All right, so let's get started. All right, so I am just going to put this guy on the side, and just be careful, guys, if you're doing this at home. This is like one of the first times I'm doing it, and I'm kind of clumsy. Let's just call it what it is. I'm kind of clumsy. But we're going to fast forward this section so you don't have to suffer the stress. Okay, so that is it. I took it out. I'm pretty sure it's good. I'm so scared it's not, but I think it's gonna be fine. I like philodendrons because they're not like root heavy. They have very fine roots, and this is one of the reasons why you always have to use a light, airy soil. So I'm gonna use a soil that I've already mixed up. I'm also gonna use some of the soil that it already has. I don't know, in my mind I feel like it feels like it's already at home. So this pot does not have any holes in it. Okay, so I'm just going to take some lava rocks. What I have right now is lava rocks, so that's what I'm going to use, just so that the water has somewhere to go. Could be a little shallow mixing of these guys. Okay, and what I'm going to do on top of that is I'm just going to use some metal. You can use plastic screening. Which bag? It's so funny because I got this guy and it was so small and it just shot through the roof. I don't know about you guys, let me know, but I am getting a ton of growth in this cold weather. And I kind of feel like I get a lot of growth in the wintertime. I don't know. About it. I'm going to stake it because you know I like my girls on the pole. And okay, so that's it. I'm just going to give this a thorough watering, and I will definitely give you guys updates. All right, thank you guys for coming. See you next week.